Hey guys, Brad with Family Handyman. Before I start working on anything where I'm going to use my chisels, such as cutting dovetails, I got to make sure they're sharp. So let me show you how to do that. So there are lots of methods for sharpening. I like to use water stones. And you can sharpen chisels freehand, but I like to use a honing jig. So the key to sharpening is noticing that you have two surfaces that need to meet. You've got the bevel and the flat back. And we're honing until that edge no longer catches any light. It just disappears. First thing we're going to do is make sure we set our honing guide to match this bevel. So in order to do that, I'm first going to color that face with magic marker. So we can see the marker is gone from the cutting edge for the most part, so we know we have the right angle. So we'll wet our stone down a bit. I start with an 800 grit stone, and I like to sharpen chisels using the edge so the bigger surface stays nice and flat for when I'm sharpening plane irons. Then I'll check the back by running my finger across here. What I'm looking for is a slight raised burr that you can feel on the back side. Once I get that, then it's time to move to the next grit. Not quite there yet. All right, now I can feel the burr on the backside, so it's time to move up to 1200 grit. So now we'll move up to the last grit. This one is a 3000, and we'll do the same routine, and then we'll flip the chisel over to flatten the back side and take off that burr. So before I take the chisel out of the honing jig, I want to test it and make sure that edge is good. So I'll use a pen or a marker or something and just touch that edge on there. And if it skates across, I still got more work to do. But if it catches, I'm good. This one catches, so now I'm ready to start cutting my dovetails. For more tips like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.